sack belted Galloway. This is the bull that injured his privates. So I took him to a factory vet clinic there in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And they doctored it and they put this little sling on there to keep it clean and everything. And then I'll take him back Tuesday or Wednesday and they'll take that off and check it out. Hopefully its swelling's got out and they can put it back inside and put a stitch in it, and then, you know, maybe next year he'll go back to breeding. This is a young bull. We only got one couple calves out of him. He's a good bull. But anyway, that's the follow-up. Old Blackberry, the burlap sack belted Galloway bull.